Little Jesus and the Lost Lamb. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by green fields and rolling hills, little Jesus and his friends loved to play near the meadows. They would run and laugh, chasing butterflies and picking wildflowers under the warm sun, their carefree laughter filling the air. Suddenly, they saw a worried shepherd running towards them, calling out desperately. Thinking something serious had happened, Jesus and his friends quickly ran towards the shepherd. The shepherd explained that one of his lambs had wandered off and was lost. He described the lamb as young and playful, having ventured too far into the forest. The shepherd asked Jesus for help in finding the lost lamb. His eyes were filled with hope as he pleaded, knowing Jesus was known for his kindness and bravery. Jesus and his friends bravely entered the dense forest in search of the lamb. The trees towered above them, casting long shadows, but their determination shone brightly. As they ventured deeper, they heard the sounds of danger. Growls and roars from wild animals echoed through the trees. The friends were afraid and uncertain of what to do. Suddenly, a menacing wolf appeared before them, its eyes glowing and teeth bared. It snarled, blocking their path and making their hearts race with fear. Standing strong, Jesus prayed to God for protection and guidance. His calm demeanor and unwavering faith gave his friends the courage to stand firm beside him. Just then, a majestic forest elephant appeared, trumpeting loudly and charging towards the wolf. The sheer size and power of the elephant scared the wolf, which quickly fled into the shadows. Grateful, Jesus and his friends thanked the elephant for its help. They continued their search, moving deeper into the forest. They came upon a fast-flowing river and used a fallen tree trunk as a bridge to cross it. Carefully balancing on the trunk, they helped each other to the other side. On the other side, they heard the faint bleating of the lost lamb near a dark cave. They ran towards the sound and reached the cave. Their hearts pounded with both excitement and concern as they approached the entrance. Inside, they saw a big bear sleeping soundly. They waited patiently for the right moment to act. They watched the bear carefully, waiting for an opportunity to rescue the lamb without waking it. When the bear went to drink water, Jesus gently picked up the lamb. He moved slowly and quietly, ensuring the bear wouldn't notice. Without disturbing the bear, Jesus carried the lamb out of the cave. Jesus and his friends returned happily with the lamb. They walked back through the forest, the lamb safe in Jesus' arms and smiles on their faces. The shepherd was overjoyed to see his precious lamb safe. He hugged the lamb tightly, tears of relief streaming down his face. Together, they all headed back to the village. The journey back was filled with laughter and stories of their adventure. The villagers spoke of Jesus' bravery and kindness, praising his valor in rescuing the lost lamb. The story of little Jesus and the lost lamb became a cherished tale, reminding everyone of the importance of courage and compassion.